Hey, Process Pros. So today I'm going to walk you through how you can connect Puzzle's MCP to Claude. So the first step is open up Claude, and you can either be in the chat or the co-work section of Claude. And in either of these sections, you'll see a button that's called Customize. Go to Customize, and once you open that up, you will see Skills and Connectors. We're going to click on Connectors. It's going to open up one more side panel, and you'll see this plus button where you'll come and select Add Custom Connector. Name it Puzzle, and you will copy and paste this URL. It's the same for every user into the remote MCP. Click Add. If you haven't connected Puzzle yet, you will see that it appears in the Not Connected section because there's one more step. You have to click the Connect button. It will open up a window that will bring you to your account. And this screen will pop up where you need to select the specific workspace that you want your Claude account to be connected with. So I'm going to go ahead and just select the official Puzzle account. I'm going to click Authorize. And from there, the MCP will connect to Puzzle, and you will see that Claude now has access to all 25 tools right here. Now, by default, I think that the permissions will go to needs approval. I went ahead and set to always allow because I want Claude to be able to take all of the actions that are listed out here in our MCP, which if you've been using Nova, the Nova capabilities and the MCP capabilities are one-to-one. So everything that Nova can do, Claude can now do within Puzzle. This is pretty game-changing because now if you prompt from Claude, you can not only write information to Puzzle, you can also read information from Puzzle. There's really two value propositions here. One is Claude now becomes an operational assistant to anyone in the company anytime they need an answer about how a process works. That's the read use case. For writing information over to Puzzle, you can now tell Claude to go into any of your other tools that are connected via MCP and tell Claude to reconcile your documentation between that system and Puzzle. So now you have an operational partner that helps you understand what exists in your systems and what exists in your documentation. And it can help you reconcile the differences between processes that are built in with your systems and what's documented within Puzzle. It's a huge breakthrough. Once this is set up, you can start building skills using Claude around Puzzle to do specific jobs. An example would be, let's say you had a conversation with a client for a current state process review, and they walked through their entire current state process. Well, you could create a skill that says, go to my Otter or Fathom or Firefly's conversation, take the transcript, clean the transcript, come up with the process extracted from all of the conversation that happened in the meeting, and create it inside of Puzzle. It takes the current state mapping step and literally turns it into a skill that AI can perform. So this is just one example of many examples of how you can use the Puzzle MCP. Super excited. Let me know how you guys like it. Cheers.